Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're taking a look at a piece of equipment that's maybe a bit niche, but really important. It's the Thor Broadcast H-THUNDER-1.
And our mission really is to get beyond just the name. What exactly is an HDMI digital RF encoder modulator?
Right, and more importantly, why would you need this specific box? What problem is it actually solving?
So at its core, it's a translator. That's the best way to think about it.
Okay, so let's unpack that. It has one HDMI input. That could be from, what, a set-top box, a security camera?
Exactly, or a media player. It takes that single full HD source and it digitizes it into a signal that can run over old-school coaxial cable.
The kind of cable that's probably already in the walls of most buildings.
That's the point. It makes your modern video source talk to your legacy infrastructure. It creates a single high-def TV channel from that one source for any standard TV to pick up.
Okay, let's get into the specifics then. It's a pretty small unit, a 1RU box, just over 2 pounds.
And it takes that HDMI signal in at up to 1080p, 60 frames a second.
But the output is a little different, right? I saw that in the specs.
Yes, and that's a key detail. The video encoding is standard MPEG-2, which is rock solid. Audio-wise, you get a few choices, AAC, AC3. But for maximum stability on that coax network, it modulates the signal out at a maximum of 1080p at 30 frames per second.
Ah, so it intentionally drops the frame rate. That's for reliability then.
Precisely. It ensures the signal is robust. Now, what's really impressive for a device this focused is its global compatibility.
Yeah, I saw that. It lists ATSC, DVB-C, DVB-T, ISDBT. I mean, why does a single-channel box need to speak so many different languages?
Because it's designed to be a true plug-and-play device, anywhere in the world. ATSC is for North America, but DVB and ISDBT cover Europe, Asia, Latin America.
So you don't need a different model for Germany versus Japan versus the US.
You don't. You buy one box and it just works. It figures out the local standard.
And there's also this low latency feature, which seems important. We're talking 50 to 100 milliseconds.
Which is incredibly fast. If you're using this for, say, live security feeds or broadcasting a live event across a campus, that tiny delay is imperceptible.
It keeps everything feeling immediate in real time.
Yes. Anything more, and it becomes noticeable and less useful.
Okay, let's shift to where this fits in the market. Thor has the H1, 2, and 4 line of products. How is this H-THUNDER-1 different? It's less expensive.
It is, and that's by design. The big cost difference is that this unit only provides that CATV RF output. It completely removes the hardware for IPTV streaming.
So there's no network output.
None. It's for a very specific customer who has a coaxial network and has zero interest in streaming over IP. It's a focused tool for a focused job. Each program gets its own frequency.
But even though it's simpler, it still has some pretty serious professional features like closed captioning support, specifically EIA 608.
And that's not a small thing. EIA 608 is the standard for older analog-style captions. For a lot of government, medical, or commercial places, supporting that specific format isn't a bonus. It's a legal requirement.
So this makes it compliant right out of the box.
Right. And then there's the control aspect. You can use the little LCD on the front, sure, but it also has a web-based network management system, or NMS.
Why would you need to control a single standalone box over the web?
Imagine you're not managing one, but 50 of them, spread across a chain of retail stores or hotel rooms.
Ah, okay. Fleet management.
Exactly. The NMS lets you log in from anywhere, update firmware, change channel names, check the status all without having to physically go to the device. It turns it from a simple converter into a piece of manageable infrastructure.
So to sum it up, the H-THUNDER-1 is really a surgical solution. It's for when you need to get one HD signal onto an existing coax network reliably and cost-effectively.
And with the international standards and a 2-year warranty, it's built for professional use.
Okay, so here's a final thought to leave with everyone.
Mm-hmm.
If a simple single-channel modulator like this can be managed remotely as part of a whole fleet, what does that open up? I mean, what kind of large-scale, unexpected uses could there be for delivering critical content where it's not about channel density, but all about reliability and compliance?